Got the 2011 Impala. We pulled the fuel tank out because we was losing fuel pressure. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there. All that white crusty stuff. Like somebody put salt or sugar or something in this vehicle. That's not good on the fuel system. I'm gonna clean this tank out and get with the customer and tell them what's going on with it. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in. Pays well. It's got you good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.